Hey friends, Luck here. So today we're going to be doing a camera review of the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Redmi Buds 3 using just the Redmi Note 3 Pro as the camera. So I'm also not going to be using any mics, so you guys can gauge what the mic is going to be if you're doing a video call or if you are recording a video yourself. So let's jump right into the video. Hey friends, Luck here. So we are doing an unboxing of the new Redmi Buds 3 and we're shooting this video on the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So this is technically a camera review of the Redmi Note 11 Pro and we're going to see how it works out and how good the camera is. So like I said in the introduction, I'm not using any microphone on this right now, so sorry if the sound quality is not as good, but this is just so you guys know what the sound quality of the Redmi Note 11 Pro is. So let's get the unboxing quickly. So the Redmi Buds 3 is a new release from Redmi. It came out the same time the Redmi Note 11 did, as well as the Redmi Watch 2. So we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing and seeing what it's like and seeing the features that it has. So I'm not expecting this to be quite amazing, but I have heard that it has amazing sound quality. So we're going to see what it looks like right in the box. So opening up the box, you immediately get your device first of all, and inside the box you will get basically the menu and other things involved with this device. So the menu is in Chinese, so we're just gonna skip this to the side and we're gonna open up the device itself to see how it looks. So obviously I got this in the black colorway. This looks absolutely beautiful and looks absolutely clean. For the price that it comes at, this is definitely an amazing looking device and I really love the way it looks overall. Definitely it is one of the best devices that I have seen in a long time. Comparing this to the other devices, obviously I do think there would be some similarities and some differences. So this doesn't come with any active noise cancellation, just so you guys know. It is definitely a beautiful looking device. So it charges with a USB Type-C and it has a Redmi logo right underneath it. Comparing this to the Redmi AirDots 3, they do have a little bit similar form factor, with the Redmi AirDots 3 looking slightly bigger than the Redmi Buds 3. So truly, I don't know why Redmi released the Bud 3 when they had the AirDots 3 and the AirDots 3 Pros, which I have right here. So these are the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros, which for me right now are definitely the best devices that you can have when it comes to truly wireless earbuds. They are absolutely amazing. So let's take this out of the device and see how it looks like. So this is how the device looks like. It looks really nice and looks extremely clean. I definitely love the way they look, but for me I don't think this will fit exactly comfortably in the ears. It just depends on how you view them and how you see the device. The case is quite sturdy and looks quite clean. It is something that I think I would definitely enjoy using over a long period of time. So let's put this right back in. So like I said, it charges to the USB Type-C, which is quite convenient. If you pick up the Redmi Note 11 Pro, you will be able to use the same charger to charge this device. So it is something that is quite convenient. So I'm going to be doing a detailed review on the Redmi Buds 3. So this was just a quick unboxing of this specific device and also a camera test on the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much and see you guys in the next one.